As 2025 kicks off, it's a great time to reflect on the most exciting engineering breakthroughs from last year. These achievements have not only pushed the boundaries of what's possible, but have also redefined how we think about the future. From artificial intelligence and robotics to energy innovations and space exploration, here's a closer look at the major milestones of 2024. AI is taking the world by storm. OpenAI remained in the spotlight, capturing global attention with the launch of ChatGPT 4o. The O in the name stands for Omni, highlighting its advanced multimodal capabilities. For the first time, an AI could seamlessly understand and process text, images, and even video in a single platform. Whether identifying objects in an image or reasoning through complex problems, ChatGPT 4o brought a level of accessibility that felt revolutionary. The ability to casually interrupt the AI mid-response, request adjustments, or rephrase queries made interactions feel natural, almost like chatting with a human. In December, OpenAI introduced Sora, their much-anticipated video generation model. Sora could transform a basic text prompt or a still image into a near photorealistic video. Imagine typing, "Create a video of a bustling street market in Bangkok," and watching a vibrant, lifelike scene come to life within moments. This leap forward opened up possibilities for content creators, educators, and marketers. However, alongside the excitement came mounting concerns about how this technology might be misused for misinformation or deepfakes, particularly in politically sensitive situations. As OpenAI forged ahead, it faced significant scrutiny. The computational power needed to train and run models like ChatGPT 4o and Sora drew attention to the growing energy demands of AI technologies. Critics argued that these advancements, while impressive, might contribute to environmental strain if not managed sustainably. Additionally, concerns over privacy and data misuse persisted. Users questioned how much personal data AI systems required and whether safeguards were sufficient to protect that information from misuse. Other tech giants also invested heavily in AI innovation. Apple made headlines with the launch of Apple Intelligence, integrated into its iPhone 16. Promising features like smarter email filtering, tailored notifications, and AI-driven tone adjustments in written communication, Apple positioned itself as a champion of user privacy. Unlike OpenAI's rapid rollouts, Apple opted for a cautious approach, releasing features gradually to address privacy concerns. This measured strategy resonated with users wary of the ethical dilemmas tied to AI. Meanwhile, Elon Musk's xAI entered the spotlight with Grok 2, an AI model integrated with Twitter or X. Unlike its competitors, Grok 2 embraced a bold, unrestricted approach to content generation. Users could generate controversial or provocative images, including depictions of political figures or even copyrighted characters. This freedom, while appealing to some, raised alarms about the ethical implications of such loose restrictions. The controversy reached a peak during the presidential elections, as Grok 2 was accused of fueling misinformation. Despite this, xAI secured $6 billion in funding in May 2024, signaling strong investor confidence in the potential of its unconventional AI. The rise of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots saw remarkable advancements in 2024, taking robotics from the realm of curiosity to practical applications that are starting to feel real. Whether it was performing human-like tasks or showing off physical feats that seemed pulled from science fiction, this year marked a shift in how robotics is integrated into our world. Tesla's We Robot event was a spectacle that drew significant attention. At the center of it all were the Tesla Optimus units, humanoid robots designed to mimic human movements and assist with various tasks. These robots were showcased walking, dancing, speaking, and even bartending during the event, captivating the audience. Equipped with 40 electromechanical actuators and powered by a neural network, Optimus demonstrated a range of lifelike movements and precision handling of objects. However, initial enthusiasm dimmed when it was revealed that many of the robot's actions were remotely piloted, raising questions about the true autonomy of the units. Tesla responded by focusing on independent functionality in later demonstrations. A video released later in the year showed Optimus successfully navigating uneven terrain and self-correcting after slipping, an impressive feat for a bipedal robot. These updates rekindled interest in Optimus and its potential applications. Boston Dynamics also made waves in 2024, with a significant upgrade to its Atlas robot. Known for its remarkable agility and dynamic movement, Atlas received a complete overhaul, transitioning from a hydraulic system to one with electric joints. These electric 360-degree joints granted Atlas unparalleled flexibility, allowing it to perform intricate tasks that would challenge even the most agile human. A demonstration video showcased Atlas folding itself to stand upright, with its hips swiveling in ways no human body could replicate. The robot's ability to adapt to real-time environmental feedback also stood out. If obstacles appeared mid-task, Atlas could reorient itself, adjust its position, and continue its work without missing a beat. This level of autonomy reinforced the idea that humanoid robots could soon tackle complex, real-world tasks with minimal human intervention. While Tesla and Boston Dynamics dazzled with their robots' versatility and lifelike movements, Apptronik focused on practicality with its Apollo robot. Designed specifically for industrial use, Apollo was showcased in a collaboration with Mercedes-Benz, where the robots were filmed assembling a car piece by piece. This demonstration hinted at the potential for Apollo to revolutionize manufacturing and streamline industrial workflows. Standing at 5 feet 8 inches and capable of carrying up to 55 pounds, Apollo was built to handle repetitive, physically demanding tasks in factory settings. Beyond efficiency, these robots offer the promise of safer workplaces by reducing the risk of injuries associated with hazardous jobs. Apptronik emphasized that Apollo is designed to work alongside humans, filling gaps in the labor force rather than replacing workers entirely. The revolution of transportation. In 2024, transportation technology leaped into the future, showcasing innovations that could redefine how we travel by land, air, and sea. With a focus on automation, sustainability, and efficiency, these advancements brought humanity closer to a world of seamless, eco-friendly mobility. Tesla turned heads with the unveiling of the Cybercab, a fully autonomous electric vehicle designed to remove the need for a driver entirely. Unlike earlier Tesla autopilot systems, the Cybercab lacks a steering wheel or manual controls, offering passengers a hands-free, fully automated travel experience. Designed for 2 passengers, it includes a built-in tablet for route navigation and entertainment during the ride. Although the concept generated excitement, safety concerns lingered, particularly given Tesla's past controversies with its full self-driving system. To address these worries, Tesla announced plans for supervised testing in Texas and California starting in 2025. These trials will include a remote safety operator on board to ensure a fail-safe mechanism during the initial rollout. Production is optimistically projected to begin in 2026, potentially marking a significant milestone in the evolution of personal transportation. Taking transportation to the skies, Joby Aviation showcased its hydrogen-electric flying taxi in 2024, capable of traveling over 800 kilometers on a single charge while emitting only water as exhaust. This innovation combines environmental consciousness with futuristic design. The aircraft's hydrogen-powered fuel cells generate electricity through a chemical reaction with oxygen from the air, which powers 6 propellers that enable vertical takeoff and landing. The flying taxi, adapted from Joby's earlier battery-electric aircraft design, is tailored for short to mid-range regional travel. For instance, trips like San Francisco to San Diego could soon be both faster and more environmentally friendly. By offering a sustainable alternative to conventional jet-powered flights, these taxis have the potential to revolutionize air travel while reducing the carbon footprint of regional aviation. On the water, Boeing's Liberty Lifter brought innovation to maritime transportation. This massive seaplane uses a wing-and-ground effect, a technology that builds air pressure between the wings and the water surface to lift the craft as it gains speed. Unlike traditional aircraft, the Liberty Lifter is designed to skim just above the ocean's surface, allowing it to carry heavy loads without the need for a runway or shipping port. This unique capability makes the Liberty Lifter ideal for disaster relief and maritime research. Whether delivering essential supplies to remote areas after a natural disaster or assisting in complex sea-based operations, the Liberty Lifter offers a versatile solution for heavy-lift transportation. Additionally, its design emphasizes efficiency and practicality, showcasing how hybrid seaplanes could reshape maritime logistics. Space exploration hits new heights. The year 2024 saw space exploration advance in ways that felt like science fiction brought to life. With private companies and space agencies pushing the boundaries of what's possible, humanity took significant steps toward a more connected and accessible cosmos. SpaceX once again captured global attention with a jaw-dropping achievement. the successful mid-air catch of its super heavy rocket booster using a pair of massive mechanical chopsticks. This feat, part of their Starship program, represents a major milestone in rocket reusability. The booster, standing as tall as a 20-story building, performed a controlled descent, using a flip maneuver to position itself for a precision landing between the giant arms. This accomplishment wasn't just about showing off engineering prowess. By eliminating the need for ocean landings or barge recoveries, this method reduces turnaround times for rocket launches and slashes costs dramatically. SpaceX's ultimate goal, to enable human settlements on Mars, seems a little more achievable with every innovation like this. NASA also made waves with its unveiling of a new robotic companion, designed specifically for low-gravity environments. This four-legged robot, inspired by the agility of cats, can twist and reorient itself mid-air. The design allows it to land stably on rugged asteroid surfaces, making it a game-changer for space missions, where wheeled or treaded robots struggle. Developed by researchers at the Harbin Institute of Technology, the robot uses reinforcement learning to coordinate its movements. Unlike traditional robots that rely on heavy stabilization hardware, this lightweight design makes it more adaptable for challenging terrains. As asteroid exploration becomes more critical for resource gathering and planetary defense, such robots could play a vital role in missions. On the communication front, NASA showcased a groundbreaking demonstration in 2024 with its Deep Space Optical Communications mission. Using a high-powered laser, NASA transmitted a video from a spacecraft 19 million miles away to Earth. The video, featuring an orange tabby cat named Taters chasing a laser pointer, reached the Hale telescope at the Palomar Observatory in just 101 seconds, streaming at an impressive 267 megabits per second. For context, this speed surpasses the average internet speed in the United States, currently around 219 megabits per second. Such advancements could revolutionize how astronauts and ground teams communicate, enabling faster data transfers, high-definition video calls, and even entertainment streaming for future deep space missions. It's incredible to imagine a time when astronauts might stream movies or send real-time video messages while exploring distant planets. Clean energy breakthroughs. The global push towards sustainability reached new heights in 2024, with innovative energy solutions taking center stage. From harnessing nuclear fusion to advancing battery technology, these breakthroughs brought humanity closer to a future powered by cleaner, more reliable energy sources. In a landmark achievement, scientists in Oxford reached a significant milestone in nuclear fusion research. Using the Joint European Torus, a donut-shaped reactor, they successfully sustained 69 megajoules of energy for 5 seconds. To put this into perspective, that's enough energy to power approximately 12,000 homes for the same duration, produced from just 0.2 milligrams of fuel. This process, which fuses deuterium and tritium atoms at temperatures of over 150 million degrees Celsius, mimics the reactions powering the sun. Unlike nuclear fission, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste, making it a much cleaner energy source. While scaling this technology remains a challenge, the potential for near-limitless, carbon-free energy has reinvigorated interest and funding in the field. While nuclear fusion is the future, modular nuclear reactors emerged in 2024 as a promising solution for the present. These compact reactors are designed to be assembled in factories and transported to their final destinations for on-site construction. This approach significantly reduces the cost and time needed to build a nuclear plant, with SMRs taking only 3 to 4 years to complete, compared to the decade required for traditional reactors. Although smaller in size and power capacity, producing about 1/3 of the energy of a conventional reactor, SMRs are safer and more versatile. Their design minimizes risks of overheating and can be tailored for specific energy needs, from powering small communities to serving as backup systems for larger grids. They also don't rely on weather conditions, unlike wind and solar, ensuring a consistent energy supply. Battery technology took a giant leap forward in 2024 with the introduction of solid-state batteries. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, which use liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries rely on solid electrolytes. This change allows them to charge faster, last longer, and store significantly more energy, between 2 to 10 times the capacity of their predecessors. In November, Huawei filed a patent for a sulfide-based solid electrolyte, signaling advancements in commercial applications. Meanwhile, companies like Toyota, Nissan, and Samsung began integrating solid-state batteries into their electric vehicles. These batteries offer manufacturers the flexibility to design lighter, more efficient EVs, or to extend their range and performance without increasing weight. The environmental benefits are equally compelling. Solid-state batteries are safer and less prone to overheating, reducing the risk of accidents. They also have a longer lifespan, cutting down on the waste associated with frequent battery replacements. As EV adoption grows, these innovations promise to reshape the automotive industry and reduce its carbon footprint. And with that, we come to a close. 2024 was a year of remarkable progress. Each of these breakthroughs brings us closer to a future that feels more like a sci-fi movie, with technologies that aim to improve lives, protect the planet, and take humanity further than ever before. Here's to seeing what 2025 will bring. Thanks for watching. What are you most excited about? AI, robotics, space exploration, or clean energy? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more amazing stories about the future of technology and beyond. See you next time.